Right now, we have about 80,000, as you said, remaining to be vaccinated. And we are hoping that we'll be able to resolve that shortly.
This confirmation was made by the Minister of Health on Tuesday during his daily COVID-19 update. According to him, there is a global shortage of the Sputnik vaccine second doses. However, the government is committed to ensuring that every person awaiting their second dose will access a jab.
I would encourage people to continue to get their first dose because we are going to address this the set of person who got first dose and need a second dose. We'll address that shortly so that everybody who took a first dose would be able to get their second dose.
In its initial rollout, the Sputnik vaccine second dose had to be administered within 21 days. However, the minister conveyed that recent surveys have suggested that the person can now access the second dose later than what was previously thought.
The Russian Direct Investment Fund had advised that you can prolong the interval between first and second dose of up to 90 days. Their most recent advice, which you can see published by Reuters on the 9th of July, they're indicating that you can actually go to up to 180 days.
Since the commencement of the country's vaccination rollout in February 2021, a number of Sputnik vaccine doses were purchased by the government. However, while there continues to be a constant availability of first doses, the procurement of second doses remains a challenge. At present, Guyana only receives a weekly shipment of around 5,000 second doses. Meanwhile, although there is a shortage of Sputnik second doses, the minister reminded Guyanese that there are still other vaccines available, since according to him, persons are not returning for their second doses of the AstraZeneca and Sinopharm jabs. To date, a total of 337,000 persons, or roughly 65% of the adult population, have received the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccines, while 175,000 persons, or roughly 34.1% of the adult population, is now fully immunized. Additionally, the adolescent vaccination drive continues to receive positive responses. To date, 18,862 adolescents have received a first dose of the Pfizer vaccine, the minister said. Further, the Minister of Health conveyed that his ministry has begun its Johnson & Johnson single-dose COVID-19 rollout in Region 8, while noting that the vaccine doses will soon become available to persons residing in Regions 1, 7, and 9. Melanie Morris for HGP Nightly News.